Hello everyone. So today I thought I should create a YouTube channel because I'm also uh, I have been watching many videos related English conversation, and there are many people who shared their and struggle. I listen that and I assume that for getting fluency or confidence, I need to work on it. I was also practicing with the GPT, and GPT support me very well. But something is lacking. I need something more. So that's why I thought I need to create YouTube channel. Whether I'm talking right or wrong, that doesn't matter. Very important thing, I have to know how I'm interacting with myself. If I'm comfortable with myself, um, then I could speak with anyone. So that is why today I just want to introduce myself. Yeah, it's Nidhi. I have done my graduation and post graduation too. Um, I have done my graduation in political science honors. Later, I took admission in English literature. I've never told this that I also uh, studied MA in English or MA in English because I think you then people start saying you already you were you ha- you were a student of English, then you that means your English is too good. But actually not, because my English was not good. That's why I took this subject. Yes, somehow I passed the course, but I didn't get satisfying result, and my purpose was still there. Now I'm not doing any. I'm not studying for getting degree and diploma. I just want to do practice for changing myself. So this is a skill, so that is why I want right now I'm just working on my communication skill. Apart from it, I'm also creating my hobbies, reading, writing, because it's related with my English conversation. uh, Apart from it, yes, I'm a married person. I have a kid, and so that's why I'm also responsible for learning. I also want to learn this language as soon as, because I want to teach my kids, because I studied Hindi medium, and obviously now all schools converted themselves in English medium. There is no option for Hindi medium, and no parent want to um to to uh, to get their admission in Hindi medium school, because they know what the relevance of English. It's sad to say, but yes, it's a reality. After some time, my baby will also start going school, and if I couldn't able to communicate with them in English, then he will start facing a double problem, like my mother explaining in Hindi, then I will able to understand. But if my teacher explaining the similar thing in English, then I couldn't understand. So I do not want that he face such a situation. He will study both language, Hindi or English. But right now I want to work on it, because I just want to make them comfortable and aware that yes, it's a language, and it's a skill. It's your second language, and you will learn like a you we will learn by play. So like, this is my only aim. uh, okay, whatever coming in my mind, I'm just speaking. I'm not thinking too much about what I'm saying. Okay, bye bye. I will come again with my next video. Okay, till the bye bye.